stocks ending the week with a positive move. The Dow Jones Industrial Average chalking up its third week of gains. Deborah Kostroun is at the New York Stock Exchange with all the details of those buyers. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, you know, this parade of earnings is really winning out and with something that we saw in Friday's session over the concerns of the Middle East. And also today we heard about China's attempt to control inflation. But earnings really the name of the game. And markets were higher. The Dow, the best performer of the major averages. And for the week, not only all the major averages were higher, but once again higher for, as Pimm said, a third week in a row. Now, one area of the market that we are closely watching, and that is crude oil. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. Crude oil rising to its highest level in a week, above $86 a barrel on those escalating protests in Bahrain and also Libya. And that, of course, fueling a lot of concern that oil supplies from the Middle East may be disrupted. Those energy stocks were actually the biggest gainers, not only in Friday's session, but also the biggest gainers for the week. So some of the stocks like ExxonMobil and Chevron seeing a big boost throughout the week, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, you know, we think about the markets, but it's really all about earnings when it comes to the stocks. Tell us about earnings.
You know, right now it is all about earnings, and traders are telling me there's just this bullish bias in the market. And when it's really coming from all these better than expected earnings that we've been seeing, they say that people are kind of waking up right now and seeing that the economy is stabilizing and that they really need to put money to work. And that is really also helping to push this market even higher as people now getting into the game here kind of late because, of course, the S&P is up 98% since that March 9 low. And when we get back to work on Tuesday, of course, after the holiday, we will once again be focused on those earnings. And we do have earnings on Tuesday morning from some very big companies, Walmart, Macy's, and Home Depot. And then, of course, after the close, we get earnings from Hewlett-Packard. We'll be keeping a close eye on Walmart sales, especially during the holidays, because Jeffrey's saying that Walmart may report a decline in sales because of poor weather and also delayed tax refunds. Also, Home Depot may report actually improved sales on winter weather purchases and also because of better home improvement trends. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.